soap scum, water stains. Oy vey. Tough grime? Nothing works. Oh my. Get new shower door? No way! Introducing the revolutionary way to revitalize your shower door. The Coastal Clarity Shower Door Restoration Kit, formulated to clean, seal and maintain. Marvellous! Let's get to work, shall we? Start with the Step 1 Clean Cream. Place the yellow eliminator pad in your hand. Pour a small amount of the clean cream onto the pad and scrub in a circular motion, eliminating those pesky impurities like hard water stains, soap scum and grime buildup. Scrub it in real good. Superb! Let's sit for a few minutes. Wipe with a dry cloth until clear and dry. Looking like new already. Next, we apply the Step 2 Seal Liquid. Grab the white microfiber applicator pad. Pour a small amount of the seal liquid onto the pad. Then apply to the entire surface, creating a long-lasting coating for optimal protection against oxidation, corrosion and staining. Let's make sure we apply this one in straight lines. Let cure for a couple of minutes before applying second coat. Lastly, we use Step 3 Maintain Ultra Blue. This time, grab the blue microfiber cloth. Lightly mist the surface and buff to a brilliant shine, preserving clarity 3 times longer than conventional cleaners. Remarkable! And voila! My work is done here. The Coastal Clarity Shower Door Restoration Kit. The results are clear.